Hello guys, welcome to Ashok DevOps YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss new Terraform feature of Terraform blocks. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to Ashok DevOps. Let's jump into the topic. Let's say if the resource created outside of Terraform or if the resource state file deleted or state file does not exist, you can use Terraform import command to import the resources. But in the new release, you can use Terraform import block to import the resources in Terraform state file. This feature available from version 1.5.0. Let's understand with this one simple example. So now I am in Azure portal. Here I have one test RG created without Terraform configuration files. Now go to the files where you can use Terraform blocks to import this test RG. I am in the Visual Studio Code. Here I have one main file. In the main file I have the Azure RM resource provider and the provider feature block. To import the resources, you can create one file called imports.tf, and here you can write import block. Import, and here you need to provide to equal to and id. In the to, you need to mention the variable name for the resource group. Here I am giving the Azure RM resource group type, and name will be my RG1. In the ID, we need to get this ID from the Azure portal. In the properties section, you can see this ID details. Copy this ID and paste here. So now our import file is ready. To import this resource, first initialize the Terraform using Terraform init. Terraform has been successfully initialized. Now to generate the TF file for the import block, you need to run Terraform space plan space hyphen generate config hyphen out equal to generated.tf. So this way you can generate your TF file for the resource group. Press enter. Now here you can see Terraform will perform the following actions. Azure RM resource group will be imported. Here it is saying config generation is experimental. Right now it is experimental stage, but on the long run it will be a stable import feature for the Terraform. Now in the left side you can see generated.tf file is generated. Here you can see the actual resource block which is generated by Terraform. Now you can directly apply the configuration using Terraform apply command, and it is asking for the confirmation, and in the message it is showing resource group will be imported. Type yes and enter. Here you can see apply complete, resource 1 imported. In the state file we can see Azure RM resource group myrg1 with id test rg imported. Now you can manage this RG with Terraform. So this way you can import multiple resources by defining in the import.tf file, and you need to generate one generated TF file. So with this you can import Azure resources. That's all for this video. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.